Welcome back to a new video. So in this video I'll be sharing to you how to get free G tokens. So as you all know that when you're using Galaxy for airdrops, you need G tokens to claim your points, and most of us wondered how do we get the G tokens. So this video is here for you, and you can stick around to the end to get a full tutorial, and also so that you don't make any mistakes. Alright, so G tokens launched Galaxy launched a Telegram app in which you can use the Telegram app to earn GG. So GG is just like a token in which you give you access to earn more G tokens. Alright, so once you open the Galaxy app, it's the Telegram mini app, and once you are logging in with Telegram, please use the Telegram account you use for Galaxy. You know, Galaxy has also linked TG account, so use the same TG account you use there on the Galaxy app. So once you're there, there are a lot of tags. I think the tags will be up to 150 GG, but complete all of the available taxes. As you can see here, me, I've completed mine. So basically, to complete the tax is just to click on go and do what the tax asks you to do, check, and then you get GG. So this GG that you're seeing is actually a ticket for you to earning more GGs, more gravity tokens. Gravity tokens is used as gas fees if you're on Galaxy for airdrops. Okay, so as you have done, you can be checking in daily to earn additional GGs. So once you're done, you go over to Galaxy on Mrs. browser or on Chrome browser if you're using desktop. Then you make sure to complete the task. That so you not complete the task, you go to app.galaxy.com/up. It will give you their rewards up. So the first so you have 4 boxes that you can open. The first one is available for everyone. The remaining 3 requires additional levels to be available to you. So the first one requires 99 GG. So once you have 99 GG, you would open the box. You can get from 30 GG up to 60 G tokens. So if you get 60 G tokens, it will give you more access to more airdrops more. You'll be able to claim points for all the important airdrops and not miss any, just like a lot of people are missing, including me. All right, so before I learned about Galaxy app, and mind you, do not buy Galaxy from exchange, because I tried that and I actually bought $5 worth of Galaxy. After gas fees removal, it remained $2. So out of that $2, I was able to withdraw none. Okay, yeah, let me explain why. So basically, Galaxy I was unable to withdraw anything. I was unable to even get anything to the alpha mainnet because the gas fees on Ethereum is just too high. So using this method, you don't spend any money to get Galaxy G tokens, but you get it all for free. Okay, but it requires effort. Then also you can refer when you're done with tax, you can refer people, go over to friends, and you get to unlock friends. So if you refer a person, tell the person to complete 3 tasks within 24 hours, and you get a bonus. If the person does not complete it within 24 hours, that means you are getting 0 bonuses. That means you get nothing on the person. So once you get somebody, you can open all of these one of these cards boxes over here, and then if you the first one that you claim, you have access to 1000 G tokens, just that you will be able to claim them after inviting. So you keep inviting to claim once you have reached 1000 G. So you'll be able to invite until the bar is 1000, and until the claim button is open for you to be able to claim 1000 G. All right, but you can use this way to earn. So and then also you can spin on the app, but I don't advise you to do that. I wasted 49 GG tokens yesterday to spin and ended up getting 2 gravity tokens. So that's how to get more GG tokens. If you this is going to be meant for airdrop. That's for claiming points on airdrops. The GG token is no giveaway of USDT or anything of any sort. Though you can win some USDT and USDC from this tax here, but G tokens is not doing any giveaway for any USDT. It's just that they are using it to give away their tokens, which is listed as 0.014 right now, and you just use that to claim your airdrop point. Okay, so now for claiming, once you are where you're supposed to claim your points. When you click on claim directly. Don't use claim with Ethereum, because it asks you to deposit $5 worth of Ethereum, and then they'll be removing 0.5 every time you want to claim. No, just click on claim directly. Claim directly. Yes, once you claim directly, it will you'll be able to claim your points. And once you claim your points, you will be deducted 2.5 G per transaction. That's 2.5 G with gas fees of about 0.1 G, which is not a lot, but then the 2.5 will now be deducted. So that's how to claim using G. Thank you for watching this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, you can hit on the like button, subscribe to the channel. And our WhatsApp group is in the description box. You can join it. Now also the link to Galxe app is also in the description box. You can use it to register on Galxe apps and start earning. Alright, you see you in the next video. Goodbye.